Hello there, CryptoQ Media. I'm glad you decided to come back to my channel. Still, the markets are a complete and utter disaster. More than 879 billion has just been lost by the US stock market. All of the major stock companies, known as blue chips, are falling in today's market carnage. The stock prices of Nvidia, Microsoft, Meta, and Google are all falling. Our losses yesterday totaled 2.9 trillion. Because of this, we ended up losing about 3.6 trillion. My goodness, that's really insane. In the latest pinned tweet, XRP insider The Big Shorts asserts that the elusive hand's edge is drawing near, and the secret hour is on July 26, 2024, in the fool's reality. A Japanese katakana character would be a suitable representation of this. Because Japan is currently experiencing a financial tsunami, su is the right pronunciation. The Nikkei 225 index is likewise extremely low, having fallen 1,662% today. Today, the market in Japan fell by the most since Black Monday in 1987, with a current trading level of approximately 66.4 thousand. It is official, the zoo is here. If the Japanese cryptocurrency market were to crash, XRP insiders claim, the rest of the world's markets would follow suit. Considering the present situation in the US, where investors are actively monitoring the market and witnessing a decrease in prices, this is especially true. From its all-time high of 142, Bitcoin has fallen 6% to its current price of 60,000. Among the top 100 cryptocurrencies, Sloan is taking the biggest drop, with Ethereum following close behind. The price of XRP, like many other cryptocurrencies, has plummeted this week, falling as little as 1.32% to 55 cents. Because of this, XRP is having the least impact and is falling the least among the top cryptocurrencies. As a result, it's aesthetically beautiful. Nevertheless, we expect cryptocurrency prices to fall for the time being as a result of MACD crossings globally and prices below all three moving averages. Specifically, Bitcoin might retest the 56,000 market. It's possible that the price of XRP will fall back down to around 50 cents. Despite a recent sharp decline, the cryptocurrency sector as a whole is undergoing a bull run, and Bitcoin's price behavior reflects this optimism. In the Bitcoin market, the wick-off, reaccumulation pattern is currently in action, presenting it in all its magnificence. In the Bitcoin market, the initial pump is happening right now, and then comes the dump. This chart shows the whole Bitcoin price cycle, from pump to dump to correction. Bitcoin is starting to rise again after the correction, which means things are looking up. According to Anonymous, Bitcoin will eventually hit 100,000, which will be a new record high. This is the predicted movement for Bitcoin based on the wick-off accumulation patterns. First, I will address the first pump, and then I will address the correction. After this, you'll do the exact reverse. This is the way Bitcoin is reviving its fortunes. After that, Bitcoin's price will skyrocket to an all-time high before experiencing congestion. Consequently, Bitcoin might set a new record in August or September, and by September, it will have surpassed 100,000. Consequently, I fail to see any rationale in you selling your cryptocurrency. The market is about to turn, therefore you should diversify your Bitcoin holdings. Half of gold's market value would be equivalent to the eighth candidate's suggested 350,000 Bitcoin. The chief executive officer of Vanex, a major financial organization, is also a Bitcoin. It is feasible that by 2050, a Bitcoin worth 2.9 million will be in circulation. As a result, the 1% hold firm views on Bitcoin and other digital currencies. Imagine the potential increase in value of other cryptocurrencies, such as XRP, if Bitcoin actually reaches these price targets. Bitcoin, though, is only a distraction. Eventually, we will see Bitcoin prices move much above 350,000 or much below 350,000. 1% can deceive us even in the most widely read publications. Their end-of-the-world price forecasts, pranks, and scams are not something you should fall for. You are aware of these men. Consequently, there is just one dominant force controlling the whole cryptocurrency stock market. Still, this bodes well for the impending market recovery. It is clear from this that the markets are already controlled by the top 1%. One good example is Justin. The money supply is at an all-time high. We have never been higher. $150 trillion have been printed. And every time you watch money being printed, go, frog. More money is simply generated by them. Because of their massive investment, the markets are experiencing a surge. So, if all goes according to plan with the money supply increase and money printing, the markets should begin to climb soon. I wanted to inform you that next Monday, a total of 15,000 advisors from Morgan Stanley will be available to assist qualified clients with matters related to BlackRock, Delis, Bitcoin, and exchange-traded funds ETFs. A staggering 5.7 trillion is held by their clients' assets. Extra funding is flooding into the cryptocurrency market. Thanks to the ETFs, our capital has grown. Also, there is the US dollar, which is printed money. Moreover, exploring the markets. The infusion of capital is going to cause the value of cryptocurrencies to skyrocket. The 569,000 bitcoins held by MicroStrategy and BlackRock ETFs are worth 36 billion, the 36 number resurfaces, and Morgan Stanley might help bring in trillions of dollars for the ETFs. Bitcoin is a bust. This article will examine XRP using fractals, a mathematical framework popular among the top 1%. As soon as we observe the XRP breakout, this trend will begin for XRP, taking it to 6, 33, and finally 349. Listen, you can make tens of thousands, if not millions, of dollars by holding XRP for a very long time and with a very huge amount. Getting 10,000 worth of XRP is quite doable, in contrast to the American dream, which is why it's called the American dream in the first place. This holds truer for men in particular. If one sets their mind to anything, they can achieve anything. Xena has finally sent XRP. It appears that we have a sizable number of XRP enthusiasts following us on Twitter. She continues by saying that the CEO, who isn't afraid to stand up for himself, Brad Garlinghouse, has stated that the journey is almost over. Rest assured, that is accurate. According to the allegations and XRP's pronouncements, something monumental is about to transpire with XRG, and XRP is finally making its way to the moon. Get ready, everyone, because the end is near. For the time being, I ask that you subscribe and like my channel.